Thank you for your purchase of Lilly Walker. This beautiful baby walker comes in attractive colors, music console and toys on the front tray. This product is easy to assemble using these parts: main body, wheels, toy, rattles, parental push bar, and batteries. To start the assembling process, take the main body and fit the seat to the main body by using button locks. Now fit the cat toy to the tray. In the next step, fit both the rattles in the tray by simply pushing it and lock it. It's time to pull the rings from both side and outward direction to open the walker. You can now put the parental handle to the walker. Lock it with the help of butterfly nut. Now, place wheels to the ring. Open the tray nuts to insert the batteries to the music console to activate music and lights. Your beautiful Lilly Baby Walker is now ready to use. Ride, Kids Pride.